and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. And today we're going to be doing a special project. We're actually linking up again with my mom, Miss Nutra at the Winfield Public Library, and she's reading a book today about loving your hair and not letting anyone touch it. Because people don't have the right, they gotta ask you. So make sure you follow along to her story after you do our fun Love Your Hair art project. So we're gonna be doing kind of crazy hair, love your hair, whatever kind of hair you have, it's wonderful and embrace it. I used to always straighten mine and do whatever, but now I realize I love my colorful hair. I love my hair in all the different ways it can be, and that's great. So let's embrace how our hair is and let's draw a fun picture of it. So let's get started.
The first thing we're going to do is draw the U, or our face shape. This is going to be the base of our hair, or the base of our face, and we're going to do at least 5 different types of lines. So if you want to make this more realistic, you know, I have curly hair, so I'm going to do definitely some curly Q lines, and we could have different thicknesses, and we're going to go all the way around the head. So I can do some zigzag, because sometimes it gets a little bit wild. And then I can do maybe a wavy one, because sometimes it calms down a bit. And maybe we can do, no one's here to help me. What's another type of line? Oh, that castle line. And my last one, I can do maybe a straight line. Make sure we connect it to the head. And now we're going to go back and we're going to fill in the areas with at least 5 more lines. Now, if you want to change up your colors, you can. If you want to keep it the color of your hair, that's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in this space at least 5 more times. So we have 2, 3, 4, and we're running out of room here, so I'm going to go right here. And that's line number 5. Now here I'm going to do the curly Q. This is line number 2, number 3. I might be running out of room, so I'm going to go tiny lines. 4, my last one, very tiny. Now here I can do my wavy line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe I want to put in a 6 because there's a lot of space right here. And now I'll do the castle line 5 times. And I'll put one more down here. And now I can fill in the rest with the straight lines. I want at least 5. Put some down here. So I did more of my straight lines. Now we can go ahead and draw our neck to our shoulders. Just a simple little curve. We can, depending on what kind of shirt we're wearing, draw a little shirt on us. Now we can draw our eyes. Just going to keep them closed. A little nose. And our mouth. Now you can make this more complicated if you would like to, but I'm going to keep my face kind of simple. Now we can go ahead, color in our hair. We can add, I like to have blue in my hair, so I'm going to add some blue into these lines. Now my blue's fading away because we're quarantined. I'm going to put some blue. There used to be green and purple in it too. What kind of hair do you want? What kind of hair does your hair look like in your imagination? It doesn't have to be realistic. Remember, take your time.
And as you can tell, I just started having fun with it. So let yourself go, let yourself become free, and create the hair of your imagination, or create what your hair actually looks like, and have fun and fill up the page with it and be proud. So I hope you had fun today. I hope you had fun playing with lines and curly lines and straight lines and zigzag lines. And I hope you filled up your page and explored your imagination and had a great time. So now go ahead and go listen to my mom read Don't Touch My Hair. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.